Objects and places, whether tangible or virtual, from a statue in a museum or a book in a library to a photograph or database in the cloud, hold many stories. The Pelagios network weaves these stories together by making digital connections between objects based on the places associated with them, enriching their geographical, historical, and literary context. Our active community is dedicated to making these stories easier to link, discover, and explore. The Pelagios network draws together knowledge and skills across the humanities, cultural heritage, computing, and data science to find and build new narratives from the hidden connections they reveal. Through our range of activities, anyone can get involved, from curators, researchers, and educators to students and the general public. If you'd like to join us, it's free, easy, and open to all. Every contribution is welcome. So to become part of the Pelagios story, click on the link.